Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8 and 9th. I welcome you after Eid holidays in my lecture number 10 of unit number 3. Dear students, if you remember, before Eid holidays, I taught you till grammar exercise of article. And now in my further videos, inshallah, I'll teach you exercises of verbs. This is second topic of grammar on page number 31 and page number 32. So all of you open your books on page number 31 and 32, verbs. You can see here in blue it is written verbs, and exercise B is there, and the statement of this exercise is which of the three sentences, this is the question, which of the three sentences containing a modal auxiliary verb has the same meaning as the original one. For example, number one, they are able to speak English well. After this statement, you are having your seeing three options. They can speak English well, they may speak English well, they must speak English well. Every statement is having three options, and you have to select correct option according to the given statement here. Okay, this is exercise B, and the exercise B topic of this exercise is a modal auxiliary verb. Similarly, on page number 32, dear students, you can see exercise C, that is related to a regular verb. Here it is not written irregular verb, but regular and irregular verb. This is a category of verb. Then exercise D is decide whether the verbs in color are transitive or intransitive. Transitive verbs, intransitive verb. So transitive, intransitive, regular, irregular, and modal auxiliary verbs, all of these are the kinds of verbs. Dear students, before doing exercise B, exercise C, and exercise D, first I will teach you verbs, then their different kinds, and after teaching these kinds, inshallah, I'll take you towards the exercise. Okay, dear students, verb is not a new word for you. You people are very familiar since your beginning. Verbs are action words. Okay, this is the very simple definition of verb is a verb is an action word. Okay, now I have written you for you people a comprehensive detail about verbs, and let me show you this definition. Okay, see this page, unit number 3, page number 31, 32, and verb. Definition of verb: a verb is a word which indicates or shows an action, an event, or a state. Like in your junior classes, till class 7th and class 8, you were taught that a verb is an action word. But now a more comprehensive definition of verb is that a verb is a word which indicates or shows an action, an event, or a state. Okay, now see the example, and after example you will be able to understand the definition of verb. For example, she cooked dinner. Example number 2, the competition happened in the afternoon. And example number 3 is he is happy. Now, dear students, in this green highlighted words, in these sentences, these green highlighted words are verbs. She cooked dinner, cooked is a verb, and this verb is an action. She cooked dinner, cooked is an action. It's a verb and it is showing an action. It is indicating an action. Okay. In second example, the competition happened in the afternoon. Happened, this is a verb, and this verb is showing or indicating event. Similarly, he is happy. This is, it is a verb and it is showing state. It is indicating a state of happiness. Okay. So cooked, happened, is. All of these are called verbs, and these verbs are showing different things. Here it is showing action. In this second example, this is event, showing or indicating event, and in the third example it is indicating a state. Okay, now see further detail. Important point regarding verb. Important. A verb may be one word, but can consist of 2, 3, or even 4 words. A verb may be one word but can consist of 2, 3, or even 4 words. Like in a sentence, 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words at a time can give you the impression of a word. Okay, now see the example, then you will be able to understand. For example, I have written different examples for you. For example number 1 is I walked to school. One word. I walked to school. In this sentence, you can see that walked. This is only one word which is used as verb. I walked to school, that is a verb, and it is, I have written in the bracket that one word as a verb is being used here. Okay. In my second example, I was walking to school. Was walking. There are 2 words which are indicating actions, and these words are called verb. Like these both are functioning as verb. So there are 2 words in this sentence. In third sentence, you have been studying. Have been studying. All of these 3 words are giving us the impression of action. So there are 3 words, have been studying. All of these 3 words are performing the function of verb. She may have been sleeping. There are 4 words. May have been sleeping. There are 4 words, and all of these 4 words are functioning as verb. She may have been sleeping at the time. In first sentence, 1 word. In second sentence, 2 words. In third sentence, 3 words. In fourth sentence, you can see 4 words. And all of these words are showing or indicating this, like they are performing the function of verb. Okay. Next point is, this is for you people to remember that a sentence always needs a verb. Like if you take out this word, that is verb, and verb is very important to complete a sentence, and if you take it out from the sentence does not give you then complete sense. For example, if I say I to school, you cannot understand what do I mean. If I say I to school, if I don't include these 2 words and I exclude these 2 words, then you cannot understand what do I mean. I to school, it doesn't give you complete sense. You have been studying. Only you cannot give you the complete sense like a sentence. She at the time, if you take out these 4 words which are performing as which are functioning as verb, you cannot understand the meaning of the remaining words. She at the time, you cannot understand. So that's why here I wrote for you that a sentence always needs a verb. This is very important, you keep always in the mind. Okay, now come towards the kinds of verbs. Here I have written for you people auxiliary verb. Definition of auxiliary verb. Now what they are, see, they are helping verbs. They help other verbs to form tense, voices, and moods. Helping auxiliary verbs are helping verbs because they help other verbs to form tenses, voices mean active voice or passive voice, and moods. For example, there are basically different, you can see these are not new words, but you don't know their names and you don't know the category. BEB, and after this you can see a dash there. Dash means that B includes these words. Like B, these words are the family of B, and B is a verb. B, its family member is, am, are, was, were, been, and being. These words are called helping verbs, and these helping verbs belong to this B family. We say that this is the B family. These are the members of this family. Then have, do, will, shall, may, might, ought, must, can, could. All of these are called auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. Okay, now see here. She has gone to school. Here HAS has, which is in orange highlighter, that is an auxiliary verb. And this is a main verb. Has auxiliary verb. Gone, third form of go, that is a main verb. So in this sentence, she has gone to school. Has, this is from this category, that is an auxiliary verb, and this is a main verb, third form of go. Now see next point. Sometimes an auxiliary verb, like these verbs which I have written for you, sometimes an auxiliary verb is used as main verb. For example, he did it. Did. Here this is a main verb. It is did, and did, it is not here an helping verb, rather it is functioning as a main verb. Second, she has a car. Has is from this category. This is auxiliary verb, but here it is functioning as main verb. She has a car. Has and did, these two auxiliary verbs are functioning as, or performing their function as, main verbs. Okay, dear students, in this video I taught you till this point, and I hope that you have completely understood. Inshallah, in my next video I will take you towards the kinds of auxiliary verbs, and the exercise which is regarding modal auxiliary verb, inshallah, you will understand in my second video. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.